Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Nidai Bol, Hari Bol, Nidai Bol, Hari Bol, Nidai Bol, Hari Bol, Nidai Bol, Hari Bol.
Maharaj,
Yes.
I've heard one story. I wanted to know, you could tell me if it's true or not. And it's about Mirabai, famous Mirabai, the woman devotee, and Jeev Goswami.
You do not know that. So far as we know that Mirabai devotion is that of some mixed type, not a real type of devotion. Because our devotion only confined to Krishna and not any mention of any devotees. The Krishna, where it is mentioned about only the king, that is imperfect. King means so many ministers, generals, queens, all these things. King is not one. So Krishna is not one. The Swarup Shakti is there. And that is real Krishna. And the other Krishna is a Krishna of creation, mental creation, concoction. That is a reflection of Krishna, maybe in this world, where we cannot see that Krishna is with his different rasa, he is surrounded by different sadhvita, groups of sadhvitans in different rasa. That is Krishna real. True Krishna is of that conception. That is in Swarup Shakti. Otherwise, in this area of Maya, the Sattvagun, the Krishna has come, and I am the Krishna. And the Krishna is surrounded by his Swarup Shakti Sadhvitas, that is real Krishna, Chidvidar. And in the transcendental world, in his own position, Krishna is such. And by without crossing them, without caring to see them, my direct contact with Krishna, that is a dream. That is imagination, maybe imagination, not reality. So, Gaudiya Math people, and their others and their consideration cannot give such only so many sentimental, emotional, that may be, but the bottom, the foundation is wrong. That peace, the sentiments cannot give us Krishna. Worldly sentiments, mental peace. But Krishna is not alone. And without submitting to his devotees, eternal devotees, we can never approach him properly. The proper approach towards Krishna cannot but be through his devotees. Not direct contact or contract to get him is possible. Hare Krishna, Hare.
So, direct service
Of Krishna never possible for the Tatastha Jiva, Shakti.
So their direct service would be to the servitors, the servants of the servant.
Through the servant of the servant, the service, that is realistic conception of Krishna, service of Krishna.
Yeah.
Otherwise, that is imaginary. It is not measured by the amount of tears or amount of dancing or so many feats.
But Maharaj,
Yes.
they say that she took initiation from Jeev Goswami.
No, we don't find that. in the Doha, in these songs of Mirabai, such things are not present. So they are connected, they are connecting. Some connects and some things no. He also insulted Rupa Goswami. See, it is told that Mirabai came to see Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami at that time, perhaps he was in a particular mood, he told that I don't like to see in any lady. Then she remarked that, oh, he thinks himself to be a man. I think the only man in Vrindavan is Krishna, and all else are women. With that remark, she went away. This also perhaps mentioned in Bhaktamal Grantha, and that is not very authentic, that Bhaktamal Grantha. There is a collection of many lives of many devotees of different types. That is not very authentic.
Maharaj, I've heard that she is a gopi in Chandravali side.
What?
Because I've heard that she's a gopi on Chandravali side.
We did not hear it, and we do not accept it. Because in that case, she will have to give recognition of Chandravali, the gopis, the Nanda, Yashoda, and the Vrindavan. So many things must come for her praise. Only Krishna is the object of her praise, admiration, and all illuminated. She can't see the greatness, the nobleness of the paraphernalia. Only Krishna. This is artificial. If you want to be my devotee, become devotee of the devotee. One who is a devotee of the devotee, he is my real devotee. And I can't recognize the greatness, the nobleness of the devotee of Krishna. And eliminating them, I am good and the Krishna is good. And all eliminated. What is this? No better person than myself, only Krishna and myself, and all eliminated. This is madness. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Maharaj.